Changes are coming to this entire area you see right here. A strip mall in Raleigh known for crime and violence could soon be getting a big makeover. New developers have bought this property on New Bern Avenue. This comes as the City of Raleigh has also announced plans of investing $2.9 million to a stretch of New Bern Avenue. WRAL's Laura Levine speaks with a council member who represents the district about what neighbors want to see change.
Boarded up windows, peeled off business signs, and vacant stores. The strip mall off of New Bern Avenue and Raleigh Boulevard looks like a ghost town.
Being a Raleigh native, I've seen a lot of things there.
Raleigh Mayor Pro-Tem Corey Branch tells me the strip mall has seen many changes. News that new developers have taken over to revitalize it isn't surprising. He says this time he hopes something sticks.
What is your hope and really the goal that these developers come in and bring to this portion of the town?
You have owners and you have tenants that are a positive reflection of the current community. Development that people can walk to and feel proud of.
And that has been a challenge for the past few years here, as this area has seen more flashing police lights from an uptick in crime. WRAL data trackers found 174 crimes reported on this block from January 1st, 2020 to May of this year. Most recently, a teenager known to walk here daily for a Coke and candy bar was shot and killed in front of the convenience store.
Those stores that cause a lot of, the uptick in crime have now been closed. So they are no longer in operation. So there's no activity. So the first thing is, let's give a period to just calm everything down and reset. And then now the goal is to work with the owners and work with the community.
Ideas are floating around of a sit-down restaurant, barbershop, and more. Branch says as more growth is happening in other parts of Raleigh, neighbors hope Southeast Raleigh can get the same attention.
We ask for it in other parts of town, nice, safe, vibrant, walkable communities. We deserve that here, and that's definitely what I continue to work with the property owners.
Laura Levine, WRAL News, Raleigh.
An investor in this project with Carroll Development tells WRAL it's still too soon to comment on the specifics of what they plan to bring there. Branch says they plan to work with the community to come up with ideas. I spoke with one resident who tells me he would love to see a community center. We will see what will happen there.